Hi everyone, Tricia here. So for this vlog, we're going to do an unboxing video of the newest iPhone, the iPhone SE 2020, or also known as the iPhone SE2, because this is like the second model of the iPhone SE. Here are the prices. You'll be getting 5% discount when you pay in cash. That's why ito yung list ng prices niya. But I'm not quite sure kung magkano siya when you pay in installment. Hindi ko sure, so i-search nyo na lang. Unbox na to kanina kasi pinalagay ko yung tempered glass, pero gusto ko pa rin i-share kung paano ko siya i-unbox mag-isa. So there will be no review. Hindi naman ako technical na person. So basically, unboxing lang talaga. So ito yung paper bag. Ito yung box nung iPhone. I also bought yung silicone case. Meron siyang 3 options na colors. It could be red, white, or black. I chose black. Then 3 options din ng storage. 64, 128, or 256. And I went for the 128. So i-unbox na natin siya. Oh my gosh. Oh, there. Ayan. Tapos, okay. Ito, ang laman nito is yung manual and yung Apple stickers. Ano ba? Beauty vlog. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, ito na yung phone. Ayan. Ito yung iPhone. Kita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. And then, what's in the box is yung charger, yung head, tapos yung headphones. Sobrang lutang ko naman. Tapos, of course, yung cord din. Ayan. So, yun yung laman ng box. Yan yung phone. So, ganito lang siya kaliit. Ito yung palm ko. Sakto lang siya sa palm. Ito yung case. Again, this is 2,490. Ayun lang, share ko lang kung paano i-unbox. Sobrang boring nito. So, sobrang quick video lang. Kung curious lang kayo kung ano yung nasa loob. Pero if you want a more detailed review, you can go search for other vlogs about that.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Na ang ating video. Sana nagustuhan nyo kahit unboxing lang yon. Don't forget to hit like and then share na rin. And of course, subscribe kayo sa channel ko. And turn on the notification bell so you'll be posted for my next video. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!